Oh, I mean Raghunath Bhaktis preach and they give classes? I thought they just sat in a cave all day. Hare Krishna, Radhe, 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 Hare Krishna. Some do. There's some lucky, fortunate ones that have that purity and that ruchi. They just totally gone from the world, and Krishna is inspiring them and giving them the strength to do that. They do it. Like one of my gurus in my line, Siddha Manohar Das Baba. He was born a Brahmin, and then he came here to be a Babaji. I mean, be a sannyasi and do bhajan, no family life. And the Guru looked at him and said, "Oh, you're not fit. Go get married." So he went home, and got married. That's no fun. And then he did that for some time, and then maybe the wife died or something happened. He came back. So my wife died. I'm free now. I want to do bhajan. Acha? No, go back and marry again. You're a Brahmin. You can take another. You don't have any issue. You Jai Gurudev, Ji Gurudev. Married twice. Something happened, whatever. So he came and said, Gurudev, please. Now he's an Indian-born Brahmin, and see what how his road to Krishna is. It's inconceivable. Well, that kind of birth, and at least there's some Indian people, high birth. He is a Brahmin, and Kshatriya Brahmin, high birth, but us guys, you're Indian. We're not so.